Hello lovelies, welcome back. Today we are making Ofada stew or Ofada sauce recipe. You guys, this is one of the best stew recipe. It's so delicious and flavorful. So keep watching and let's start cooking. Please don't forget to like and share. Thank you. Over here are my basic ingredients: eggs, peppers, pre-cooked cow skin, liver, stripes, goat meat, onions, crayfish, and seasoning cubes. I will boil the eggs, peel and set aside. I'm going to blend the peppers roughly, cook it down and also set aside. Here are the peppers. After blending, I will add little salt, mix very well, cover and allow it to cook down. Next, I'll cook the proteins. I'm going to season with seasoning cubes, salt, and chopped onions. I will give it a good stir, cover, and allow it to cook for 8 minutes. Eight minutes later, I will add my pre-cooked cow skin stock, cover, and allow it to cook until soft. At this time, I check on the proteins and it's soft. I'm going to scoop it out and set aside. You can grill at this point or fry. And here is my cooked pepper mix. It makes the frying process very easy. You guys, to make this sauce you need palm oil. I'm going to cover it and allow it to bleach for about 6 to 8 minutes before using it. Once that is done, I'll fry the proteins a little bit, not too much. I will not be frying the liver. Once the proteins are like this, I will scoop it out. In the same oil, I will add my chopped onions, eru, and crayfish. I'll stir well to combine and allow it to fry for a while to release the fragrance. Once that is done, I'll add my pepper mix and season with seasoning cubes. I will give it a good stir and add the boiled eggs. I want the eggs to absorb the flavor from the pepper mix. I'm going to stir gently and allow it to fry. Few minutes later, I check on it and it has fried beautifully. Next, I will add the fried proteins as well as the stock. As you can see, the stock is quite concentrated. I'm going to stir very well, cover and allow it to simmer on a medium heat for 5 minutes. Delicious. At this time, our Ofada sauce is ready. It turned out really delicious and I hope you give it a try. That is it for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in my next one. Bye.